Hi, my name is Alejandro Esteves, and today we will be presenting Google Glass for our Ubicom class. This is the basis of our project, the Google Glass.
My name is Justin Wilson, and today we'll be talking about development.
My name is Gabriel Alvarez, and I'm going to see if this is safe.
Hello, my name is George Perez, and I'm going to be showing you why this could be intrusive.
Okay, Glass, record a video.
This is it. We're on in 2 minutes.
Okay, Glass, hang out with the Flying Club.
Google photos of tiger heads. You ready? You ready?
Right there. Okay, Glass, take a picture.
Holy sh! That is awesome.
Okay, Glass, record a video!
After this bridge, first exit. Oh yeah, A12, right there.
Google, stay delicious and Thai. Alroy.
Google jellyfish.
Well, let's see.
It's beautiful.
Alright guys, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about some technical specifications of the Google Glass. Well, basically, this Google Glass weighs no less than 50 grams. It has a dual-core OMAP 4430 processor. It also has 60 gigabytes of flash total memory. Some of the megapixels that the camera has, it has a 5 megapixel 2528 by 1856 still pictures and an HD for video of 720p. The voice is activated by the bone conduction transducer, which goes into your basically into your skull. Some compatibility that this goes with is the Android 4.03 ice cream sandwich or the iOS 7. But since it hasn't come out in the market yet, if another operating system comes out, it still be compatible with it. As you can see here, we have a display of the actual glass. There's a prism for display in the upper right corner with the camera. The microphone is located inside of this with the speaker in the back part. Also, the battery is located in the rear behind the ear, along with the CPU inside the white strip on the right side. Here is the main function of the actual prism. Inside of this comes a projector into the prism, and from there you can see the images through your eye from the retina out. And well, basically those are the technical specifications. Now development.
All right, Google Glasses to develop uses the Google Glass Development Kit, or you can call it the GDK. There are 3 basic features on the Google Glasses: voice, gesture detector, and cards. So basically, the cards is what you can see when you swipe. So think of that as every time you swipe, that's a different card. Gestures are what you can do up and down or even facial recognition side to side. It also has voice recognition, and all this is developed through the GDK, which is free on the Google website. An official release hasn't really been released. There's still the beta version. It is the same one they use for the Android development system. Basic languages they use for programming and development is Java, PHP, and Python. There's 3 apps that I would like to talk about. Even though right now there is not a official app store, there are side website, third-party sites that are posting and teaching people how to install these programs. So the first one is Watch Me Talk. This program, it allows 2 people to communicate in different languages or hearing impaired. When someone talks, the words come up on the screen so you can see what they're saying in your native language. This is great because 2 people can talk from different countries, different regions, and communicate. The next one I want to talk about is AR glasses for Wikipedia. What this does is if you're walking down the street and you turn the app on and you point to a building, it will give you the Wikipedia page and brief summaries of what you're looking at and what you decide to point your camera at. This is great. It really brings the digital world and the physical world together. The last app I want to talk about is LinkFit. Now, every company right now is trying to go for the fitness aspect to development. There is Apple's with the heart meters. Google also has heart meter. Now, LinkFit is basically a physical trainer. So while you're at the gym, you can see the videos and someone talking to you and telling you how to work out and how to stay healthy. This is a picture of Google navigation through the glasses. So when you're driving, you will see the map come up and tell you when to turn. This is great for hiking, walking, and driving your vehicle. And now I'll pass it on to security.
Is Google Glass safe? No, it's not. Many vulnerabilities have been found. The first spyware app was created by 2 California Polytech San Luis Obispo graduates. The app causes Glass to take a picture every 10 seconds and uploads to a remote server. This app also works offline. Another vulnerability that they found is that another app that does barcode scanners that sends you to malicious websites. The way Google avoided this, they told people to stop designing malicious malware, and then they implemented internal software protection, and then they developed apps for Glass to go through an inspection process. As we can see here, the user is just regular user looking at an ATM machine, putting in his information, getting his money. But if he had a malicious app on him, they could be taking his credentials. And now to privacy.
With Google Glass it comes privacy issues. Now, one of the main issues that they're having with the Google Glasses is banning from certain establishments. For example, restaurants, libraries, banks, and the problem is being that all the Google Glasses is doing is interfering with everyday's activity, and then you could go to a certain bank and film anything with cameras and establish a 360 view and maybe go in that place and steal later. One of the solutions that they're doing is filter content, which right on your device you could stop any certain activities when the Google Glasses are being filmed that is not adequate or appropriate at the time and place. Another one is social media block, where you can set an app and it will block any interference on that app, and if a customer or user is registered with that app, it could tell the app to block certain features from him. Illegal usage will be when certain users go to the movie theaters and film piracy movies. That could interfere also with our Google Glasses. Filming intrusion, piracy laws. Any filming more than 30 minutes is considered a piracy law. And then again, one of the solutions could be a built-in app on your phone where after 10 minutes of filming a video, the Google Glasses will stop filming and tell you and record the video, and then as it's on the web, it will establish a connection and allow it to find out if it's a copyright movie. Solutions for face recognition. This could be a troubling issue because if people are walking around the streets and the Google Glasses automatically take pictures with voice recognition, it could be people that are hiding or people that are FBI agents that are being undercover, and that could infiltrate on the internet and cause problems. And this is our Google Glass representation for UBCOS.